Give me your 6. 5. Wanna go? I'm gonna give you 6.
Really did exceed my expectations.
Guys, welcome back to another episode of Come Dine With Me. This week we have Katie, who is a beginner level cook. Katie's basically been waiting for her Hogwarts letter for the last 10 years. Still had no luck. Sit back, relax and enjoy watching Katie cook an Indian meal and us judge it. One of the main things we want about Come Dine With Me is secrecy. We want to be surprised when we get to the table. We don't want to have a clue what's going on. And I think that Katie's really... How am I going to manage tomorrow? Really... Hey guys, there's quite a lot of cooking going on over here. Look how many spices. Oh, I didn't see. Come look. Right, I won't look, right. You can like discuss. So guys.
So this is some prep for the night before because I've got to let it marinade.
That's effort. Okay, hey guys, it's finally my week to do Come Dine With Me. My theme is Indian, which I'm not gonna lie, I think I've got the hardest one. 1, I never really have Indian. 2, I think it's just the hardest. I'm not gonna complain. I am away to the shops with Angie in like 10 minutes or so. Get everything for tomorrow. So I'll show you what I get. I do have a plan, but I don't know what I'm doing for pudding, so I need to work that out. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm making these like Indian donut things. I'll show you, but I'm gonna have to start now because I have to leave it to sit for like 2 hours or something. So it's currently 3 o'clock and I'm ready to start. Yeah, I'm just like confused how the middle's gonna cook because I don't know. You know, at least I'm trying. Surely I'll get points for trying. Maybe they won't taste that bad, Jabaz. Oh god, this looks a bit scary. Okay, it's now somehow 5 o'clock and I haven't started making anything else yet. So I've got 2 hours to make 2 curries. It's fine. A bit concerned. The recipe said to put in 200 grams of tomato ketchup. And like, I love tomato ketchup, but 200 grams? Okay, I'm slightly concerned. Curry number 1. It looks okay. We need to start curry number 2. This is a spicy one, so let's see how this goes. I've basically made both the curries. I've made the pudding. Got to make the starter. Making like this like chicken tandoori, like grilled chicken wing things. Bombay potatoes. So should I peel them? What, Lara? Are you recording? Oh. Are you actually hiding? I don't want anything to be spoiled.
So last little bit. This is like grilled chicken, tandoori chicken, whatever. Yeah, nearly done. Thank God.
Guys, every week before they come down with me, we try and guess what it is.
We sit in here and wait.
We sit in here and we're like, I can guess.
We're so hungry as well.
Oh, she's a bit late, I can't lie. What do you think it is? I don't know what it is. I actually have no idea.
I hope there's mango chutney.
Yes.
Oh, yes, she likes mango chutney. Pompatoms.
No.
Ah! Ah! No way!
Oh my god, is that Bombay potato?
No way!
And this is chicken tandoori, grilled chicken tandoori. Guys, it's just a little starter.
Oh,
Oh wait, I'm...
Guys, this looks wild. Is this a hint that I should have a smaller portion? So this is potatoes, chicken and chutney.
What shops did you go to? Tesco?
No.
Oh, it's looking like people are eating this up. Who's having that last potato?
That went down quick.
I probably can't have that.
Whose birthday is it?
That gave me such a shock.
That was for dramatic effect.
I paid for that with my own money.
not spicy. This is quite spicy.
She's catering to our needs. I'll take the bottom bit, so then that makes up one Peshwari naan. So I get Peshwari naan.
No, we're halving them all.
Oh.
Did I just put that on your plate? Wait, where is the other half?
You've got 2 halves in your plate.
Oh yeah. Oh shit, yeah. I'm so confused. Guys.
Wait, why have I got 1.5?
I don't know. You
give half of yours to
Oh.
me.
So guys, this is mine. Right now, I've not really set it out nicely.
Maybe it's even more.
Wait, what's the story?
It's spicy. Nah, it's not. Basically, it didn't work, so I had to go to the shop. Right, come in. So it was meant to be like Indian donut flour.
Like over here.
Whoa!
Oh, that's so cute.
Shit.
How were you
What
like
is
gonna like what do you have to
Oh,
do?
you're frying
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, and like sugar.
And sugar.
So it took a lot of fucking effort as well. Oh, that's a shame.
No.
Yeah, it was a shame.
I'll give her an extra. Guys, I have to say, I have no idea what this is.
Sorry. I thought they were gonna be hot.
I'll try it. I'll heat
I
up
thought
the
it was
next
gonna be.
one.
I thought it was hot.
Hey guys, it's your favourite Come Down With Me here. So I'm gonna give Katie's 8.75 out of 10. The starter, I can't remember what it was. I have really bad short-term memory at the moment. Oh, starter, the chicken thighs, tandoori chicken wings, delicious. I thought that was really, really nice. I was expecting like pakora or something like that, but I like that she didn't go with the what was expected. Poppadoms, love poppadoms. Curry, I'm only marking her an 8.75 because I think the curry could have been a lot more of a curry, if that makes sense in any way. Like, it wasn't liquidy, it didn't have much like sauce, it just felt like it needed a bit of water or like cream or something like that, but it was still really tasty. The spicy one was really tasty, and the sweet one, it kind of tastes like barbecue chicken curry in like the best way possible. It was really tasty. Dessert, I really liked the dessert. It was kind of like toffee sticky pudding without the toffee sauce. Joanne actually heated them up and then they just didn't taste very nice, and I appreciate the effort that Katie went to try and make them. You know what, I feel like sometimes desserts and like pastries and it's never going to be good on the first try, so overall I'm giving it a solid 8.75 out of 10. It really did exceed my expectations by like a million. I think I gave Kayleigh a 9, that's why I'm giving her an 8.75 because I have to be relative. But yeah, well done Katie, it was so yummy.
Okay. So I don't really know what to give Katie. I'm a little bit stuck. So I'll just give my reasons. The starter looks really good, and Bombay potatoes, they were really yummy, really tasty. They were a little bit hard, could have been cooked a little longer, but they were really tasty. Chicken on the bone, I already said this in Laura's video, I don't really like chicken on the bone, but I did try it and it was really tasty, but chicken on the bone is just not for me. But it was really tasty, seasoned nicely. And then the curries, both the curries were really yummy. I like how she made 2, a spicy one and a non-spicy one. They were really nice. The pudding was really nice. It was just a shame that the homemade ones didn't work, but the other ones were still really nice. I really enjoyed them. So I don't know what I'm gonna give her. I think maybe an 8, because it was like presented all really well and it was really tasty. It was just a shame I don't like chicken wings. If I did like them, if I did like chicken on the bone, I probably would like some more. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but yeah, an 8 for me.
Hey guys, I think that like since we go further down the line, now it's more we're comparing it against the other ones we've had, so like it's not the same as for the first meals where we just kind of rated it. I was so impressed with this meal. I thought it all tasted unreal. Like, I thought the meal tasted so good. I'm so full. Start with the starters. So the starters have brought it down a point, and that's not because it didn't taste good. It tasted unreal, and I really liked the chicken, but the problem was there was a bit of pink inside them. And look, I don't know much about chicken on the bone, right? I'm not a chef, but I'm pretty sure there's not meant to be. I honestly could be wrong. Like, I feel like I know obviously that shouldn't be wrong, but maybe something's different about chicken bones. So even though I ate it and it tasted so good, I have to take a point down for that, but the presentation of it was unreal and it actually tasted so good. Next we're on to the main. So the main was the curry with the naan bread. So I thought the meal tasted so good. Like, my curry was really, really nice. It was really different. Like, it kind of tasted, it wasn't very like, I don't think it was like had enough sauce in it. It was very like, the sauce wasn't saucy enough. Like, it was more just a kind of paste, but it tasted really good. Dessert, 10 out of 10 for effort, but that's not what we're basing on here. This is a competition. I just thought that there was too many sweet things. Dessert was so sweet, but I thought it tasted nice. But I'm more of a savoury person. It was kind of an issue for me. But all in all, I'm really impressed. I thought there was a lot of work put into it, and I also thought it tasted really good. Another thing, there wasn't any Indian music on the background, but that could have been rectified pretty easily. I'm going to give Katie a 7 out of 10. I loved it.
I really don't know what to give Katie. Give her my overall review. So I really enjoyed the starter. It was like potatoes. The potatoes were a teeny bit hard, but I didn't know if that's how boiled potatoes are supposed to be because I haven't had them in a while. But I don't know if they're supposed to be, like, they weren't raw. Well, obviously not. But like, I don't know. Okay, besides the point. They're nice, but I wasn't sure if they were slightly undercooked, but I don't know if they were or not. Anyway, besides the point. Chicken, it was really nice. It was quite brave of her to cook that kind of chicken. Enjoyed that. Prawn crackers, no, papadums, obviously really nice, and mango chutney, obviously delicious. So I liked the starters, really nice. The main, she put a lot of effort in because she had 2 different curries, and they weren't even like this, because originally I thought one was slightly more, she said one was spicy than the other, and I thought they're just the same curry, but one was with a spicier spice. But they're 2 different curries, like completely different, so that was a really good effort. And then the naan bread, obviously that was nice, it's naan bread. Rice, really nice. Dessert, I felt really bad for her because she tried to make those balls herself, but they didn't work, so she had to quickly go and buy them. So I felt really bad for her because that would be really annoying. I think I'm gonna give her like it's just getting complicated now because I want to give her like point. Okay, I'm gonna give Katie an 8.7. Bit of a, see, that's just an annoying number. Just because the dessert didn't work, so it was shop bought dessert. But obviously she did try to make the dessert. Because like, if the dessert was a success, it obviously would have been a higher score, but because it failed, that's obviously got to take that into account. So I'm going to give her an 8.7. I know it's an annoying number, but it's not quite an 8.5. It's more than 8.5, I think. And she put a lot of effort in. And also, Indian, I would say, is actually a really tricky cuisine, because I don't know many famous Indian desserts. In comparison to other cuisines, I wouldn't have thought of that many Indian desserts she could do, so that's obviously quite tricky. And she did do really well starters, mains, and she did try to dessert and it failed, so I'm gonna give her an 8.7. I thought she did really well. She put a lot of effort into it.